Hey guys, welcome to your second class, aka lecture, or whatever you want to call it. So, in the Hello World Python program, we introduce variables and printing. So we are just going to do a few more versions of that, I guess. So once again, your Python saver thing, if you're worried about losing your code, just type that in. So here I have two variables, A and B, and I set A to creative, and I set B to melody. So basically I'm going to print I am creative and then I am melody. Now here, if you want to put like a number, like 11 or any number, you are just going to put 11. You don't need quotation marks around it. But for now, I'm going to stick with creative. So let's run this program using this green arrow thing. And here we have I'm creative and I'm melody. And once again, this comma right here, it means space. Now, if you really wanted a comma, you have to put it right here. So, now I'm going to talk about what could be a variable, since there's certain things that just Donnie won't, or just Python won't accept as a variable, and it will return you an error. So I'm going to show you a few of the things that will give you like an error message. Okay, so here I have some like rules for variables, I guess. So a Python variable can start with an alphabet, letter, or an underscore. It cannot start with a number, and it cannot contain any special characters. So some valid variables would be ABC, ABC underscore ABC underscore 123, ABC 123 underscore 123 ABC. And Python variables are case sensitive, which means that words with same alphabets but different uppercase and lowercase letters are different. So for example, these three, they are different in this computer world. So here I have like some exercises. So are the following valid variables? So the first one, yes, it starts with a letter. The second one, also yes, it starts with a letter. Now the third one, it starts with a number, so it's not valid. The fourth one, same thing, it starts with a number. The fifth one, well, is a question mark a special character? Well, we can test that. Let's just say I'm going to create a variable, this A, oops, not, why am I putting colons? A, and let's set that to how are you? Now let's put a question mark. And then I'm just going to write print A. Okay, let me just save it. Okay, and it does print. So that means that question marks are acceptable. So this one is a yes, and a dollar sign. So I'm just going to change the question mark to a dollar sign. Those doesn't make much sense. Oops, not a 4, sorry, dollar sign. And you get the dollar sign. So this one is also acceptable. So that is the basics of variables. Hopefully you learned something. So if you want to title this, call it variable 1, and we will have a few variable exercises so you can perfect variables. Bye.